Okay, welcome to my class. Good evening. Sorry, good afternoon. These topics already have been taken. Quantum numbers done last, finished last class, and these things also done. Which set is possible, not possible? These things done. Which one is more stable between this Hund's rule? Okay, Hund's rules are, also electrons are distributed among the orbitals of a subshell in such a way to give the maximum number of unpaired electrons and have the same direction of spin. That means in a orbitals electrons are enter singly filled, half filled, single electron at first field, then become pair. Electron in a entered at first Hund's rule. According to Hund's rule, electron in a orbital like p orbitals, like electron at first entered at a singly field, this way field, a single electron field. After single field, it become double. Okay, like we have know this the electronic configuration. Nitrogen is nitrogen 7 electron, and oxygen 8 electron, 8 electron. So what will be for these things? For nitrogen, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, for nitrogen. So what will be the Hund's rule? It will be electronic configuration, 1s orbital for 2s orbital, then 2p orbital, this is the 1s orbital, 2s orbital, and 2p orbital. Okay, here electron will 1s orbital 2 electrons, so it first half filled, then paired, then 2 electron 2s orbital half filled, then paired. Then here 2p orbital, 3 orbital, p orbital has 3 subshell, so at first single pair. So this is the single pair. All orbital will at first single field. Okay, not this is. So 1s orbital 2 electron, 2s orbital 2 electron, 2p orbital 3 electron, this way. Now oxygen 8 electron. So oxygen 8 electron, this 1s2 2s2, 2s2, this 2p4, this is the 8 electron, s2, 2, 2, 4 and 8. So 8 electrons. So here will be 1s orbital, 1s orbital, 1s orbital, this is a 2 electron, at first 1 electron, then single paired, then paired. Now here single field, at first half this, then it paired. Okay, this is paired. This way electron are entered in a orbital in a according to the Hund's rule. At first it field, maximum number of half field should be. If you write oxygen this way, this 3 electrons, you write if you write these things, if you write 3 electrons, if you write 3 electrons, 3 electron you write here, it will be wrong. It is not maximum number of single pair electron. If you write the here is a one single field, one single electron. If I write this is this 3 electron this way, right, it will be correct. Okay, so electron are enter at first একটা একটা করে যাবে, তারপরে হবে ডাবল. Okay, This is right. This is the rules, Hund's rule. Hund's rule this way said, electrons are distributed among the orbital of a subshell in such a way as to give the maximum number of unpaired electrons have the same direction of spin. Okay, so we have seen this electron. Okay, now this some magnetism. Okay, which one is show diamagnetic between the magnetism side? The atoms or cations or substance in electronic configuration contain one or more unpaired electrons in their orbital are said to be paramagnetic. This substance repelled by the magnetic field. In a magnetic field, this substance repelled. So those substance contains unpaired electrons in their orbitals in an electronic configuration. Unpaired electrons, they are paramagnetic. The paramagnetic substance repelled by magnetic field. When you take this substance in a magnetic field, this substance show repulsion, show repelled. This substance are called paramagnetic substance. Repelled. No, it repelled kore na. It is paramagnetic something. I think you watching, listening some sound, outside sound. Okay, this now here this the diamagnetic substance. The atom or cation whose electronic configuration contain one or more paired electrons in their orbital are called diamagnetic. These substances are very slightly repelled by the magnetic field. They slightly repelled by the magnetic field. Titanium oxide, sodium chloride, C6. They are called paired electrons in their orbitals. They are diamagnetic. Which contain unpaired electrons, they are paramagnetic. Okay, paramagnetic contain unpaired electrons in their orbitals in an electronic configuration. Diamagnetic contain paired electrons, one or more paired electrons. So I want to say which one is paramagnetic and diamagnetic. You say, look, this is electronic configuration. Nitrogen is the paramagnetic or diamagnetic? Question, say, nitrogen is the paramagnetic or diamagnetic? Say, someone. Is the nitrogen paramagnetic or diamagnetic? Hello? Kya শুনতেছ না? Is the nitrogen paramagnetic or diamagnetic? Hello student, are you listening? Is the nitrogen paramagnetic or diamagnetic? তো তোমরা কি শুনতেছ না? এই আবির বলো, নাইট্রোজেন কি প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক না ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক? কেন প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক? আনপেয়ার ইলেকট্রনস না, এগুলো সবগুলো আনপেয়ার ইলেকট্রনস, এই কারণে প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক। এটা কি প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক? ওকে, প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক। আচ্ছা, এটা প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক। আচ্ছা, এখন আরেকটা আমরা দেই। আচ্ছা, নাইট্রোজেন, তোমরা হিলিয়ামের কত জানো নি? ইলেকট্রনিক কনফিগারেশন হিলিয়ামের অ্যাটমিক নাম্বার কত? 2। আচ্ছা, আমরা হিলিয়াম রে দেখবো, হিলিয়াম কি প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক না ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক? Is the helium paramagnetic or diamagnetic? Helium is the paramagnetic or diamagnetic? Electronic configuration করো মনে মনে এবং বলো কি হতে পারে, হিলিয়াম প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক না ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক হবে? দত্তরি হিলিয়াম কি হবে, প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক না ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক হবে? আচ্ছা এটা আমরা পাইলাম কি, প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক পাইলাম। এটা কি প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক। আর হিলিয়ামকে দেখি, হিলিয়াম হচ্ছে এটা, আর এর ইলেকট্রনিক কনফিগারেশন হচ্ছে 2 ইলেকট্রন, মানে এখানে কি 1s2 মানে কি 1s2, this the 2 electrons. এটা কি প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক না ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক? হিলিয়াম ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক, গুড, এটা ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক। বুঝা গেছে নি? যদি পেয়ার ইলেকট্রন থাকে তো এটা ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক, আর সিঙ্গেল ইলেকট্রন যদি থাকে প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক। দেখো এটার সিঙ্গেল ইলেকট্রন সবগুলো প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক, আর যদি ডাবল ইলেকট্রন থাকে ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক। আচ্ছা আমরা একটু কারে দেখি, কোনটারে, কার্বনে দেখি। কার্বনে তো 6টা ইলেকট্রন, কার্বন 1s2 2s2 দুত্তরে 1s2 2s2 2p2, এইটা কিন্তু প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক না ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক? নাইট্রোজেন প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক না ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক? কে বলছে? না না, এটা প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক। দেখো 1s এর মধ্যে কয়টা ইলেকট্রন? 2টা। 2s এর মধ্যে 2টা, আর p অরবিটালে কিন্তু 3টা, px py, জানো তো। আচ্ছা আমি এটার মধ্যে দেই একটা ইলেকট্রন, এটার মধ্যে একটা ইলেকট্রন, কিছু আছে। এটা কিন্তু p অরবিটাল না, p অরবিটাল 3টা আছে, px py। তো 2টা ইলেকট্রন প্রথমে এটা যাবে হুন্ডস রুল অনুসারে। হ্যাঁ, প্রথমে 2টা। এটা কি এখন বলো, প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক না ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক? বুঝা গেল? তো কার্বন হচ্ছে প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক, আর হিলিয়াম ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক। এরকম তোমরা সব ইলেকট্রনিক কনফিগারেশন বের করে হুন্ডস রুল অনুসারে ইলেকট্রনিক কনফিগারেশন বসাবা, আর তো ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক এন্ড প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক বের করতে পারবো। আমি পরীক্ষায় ক্লাসে দিব এগুলো, কোনটা প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক কোনটা ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক। Okay, next things, now I have just finished Hund's rule. আচ্ছা এটা কোয়েশ্চন থাকবে, which one is diamagnetic and between iron 2 and iron 3? পারবা না তোমরা? এটা তো বের করতে পারবো আমরা, এটা দিব তোমরা পরীক্ষার মধ্যে হোমওয়ার্ক, অ্যাসাইনমেন্টে দিব, বের করবা and explain করবা। Okay, next is Pauli Exclusion principle. Pauli Exclusion principle is said no two electrons in an atom have the same set of all quantum numbers. মানে দুইটা ইলেকট্রনের চারটার কোয়ান্টাম সংখ্যা সব কখনো এক হয় না। In a two electrons, all orbitals, four quantum numbers, 2 electrons are will not be same all time. মানে দুইটা ইলেকট্রনের চারটার কোয়ান্টাম সংখ্যা কখনো কি এক হয় না, একটা না একটা কি হবে, ভিন্ন হবে। চারটার কোয়ান্টাম সংখ্যা, দুইটা কোয়ান্টাম ইলেকট্রনের চারটার কোয়ান্টাম নাম্বার কি, এস প্রিন্সিপাল পি এন এল এস, চারটার দুইটা ইলেকট্রনের কখনো কি সমান হয় না, একটা না একটা ডিফারেন্ট হয়, ইট শুড বি ডিফারেন্ট। সো অল not two electrons in a orbit, not two electrons in an atom will be same quantum numbers. দেখো হিলিয়ামে কয়টা ইলেকট্রন আছে? হিলিয়াম 2 electrons. Okay, for one electron n, n orbital, what is the electronic configuration? 1s2. Okay, 1s2. Okay, what is the n equal to কত? What is n equal to here? n l m s. আচ্ছা, what is n equal to? n কত 1 আর l কত for s orbital l equal to 0 so m equal to so 0 s equal to is plus s equal to plus half okay for one electron hey first electron for one electron acha for another electron for second electron so n equal to কত হবে same n equal to 1 l equal to 0 and m equal to 0 and s equal to minus half দেখো দুইটা ইলেকট্রনের this one n equal to 1 n equal to 1 l equal to 0 l equal to 0 m equal to 0 m equal to 0 but here s equal to plus half s equal to minus half so for two electrons for all quantum numbers are not same at least one quantum number will be different this is the Pauli exclusion rules now I see the another atom like electronic configuration I see which electrons carbon I see I'll check carbon carbon is the electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p 2p কি 2p কি কত 2p 2 আচ্ছা ফার্স্ট ইলেকট্রনের জন্য ফার্স্ট ইলেকট্রনের জন্য কি হবে n equal to কত n equal to 1 l equal to 0 এইটার জন্য এখানে আমি আছি l equal to 0 l equal to 0 m equal to 0 আর s equal to কত প্লাস হাফ আচ্ছা এখন যাই সেকেন্ড ইলেকট্রনের জন্য কত হবে মানে আমি এখনো কিন্তু এই জায়গা আছি এখানে n equal to হবে 1 l equal to 0 and m equal to 0 এখানে যারা ক্লাস লাস্টে করছে না এরা কিছু বুঝছে না মানে বুঝে নেই এখানে কি আমনে m equal to এত আসতেছে এটা হ্যাঁ এখন যাই থার্ড ইলেকট্রন তো এখানে আছে দুইটা ইলেকট্রন এখানে এখন 3 নম্বর ইলেকট্রন এইটার মধ্যে আছে থার্ড ইলেকট্রনস ফর থার্ড ইলেকট্রন n equal to কত প্রিন্সিপাল কোয়ান্টাম নাম্বার কত এটা n equal to কত 2 n equal to 2 আর l equal to will be s orbital এর জন্য 0 তো m orbital এর জন্য হবে 0 হ্যাঁ তারপরে এটা s equal to plus half আচ্ছা 6 নম্বর ইলেকট্রনের জন্য কত হবে fourth ইলেকট্রন n equal to 2 l equal to 0 so l equal to 0 হলে m equal to 0 হবে তো তোমরা তো জানো এটা আর s equal to হবে minus half আচ্ছা এখন আসি আমরা 5 নম্বর ইলেকট্রনের জন্য এখানে যেতে হবে 50 ইলেকট্রন হ্যাঁ 50 ইলেকট্রনের জন্য কত হবে 50 ইলেকট্রনের জন্য n equal to কত n equal to 2 কিন্তু n equal to 2 এখন কিন্তু l এর মান চেঞ্জ হইছে l কি p অরবিটাল গেছে l এর মান কত হবে p অরবিটালের জন্য কত 1 তো m যদি p হয় এটা m এর মান কত হবে m এর মান 0 to 1 প্লাস মাইনাস 1 মাইনাস l হবে। আচ্ছা প্রথমে আমি প্লাস l নিতে হবে। যে কোনো একটা নাও, প্লাস l নেই, 0 নিতে পারি। the plus 1 নেই, so s equal to কত হবে প্লাস হাফ। এটা 6 ইলেকট্রনের জন্য সেম ওইগুলো হবে, আর শেষে কত হবে মাইনাস হাফ হবে। So look at any two electrons, like I'll check any two electrons. All orbital are not same. All 4 orbital are not same. N equal to 2, L equal to 0. So all 2 orbitals are not same. For 2 electrons, all orbitals are not same. At least one orbital will be different. You can check this one, these 2 electrons. 50 electrons and 6 electrons, n equal to 2, n equal to 2 same, l equal to 1, l equal to 1 same, m equal to plus half, m equal to plus half same, but here s equal to plus half, s equal to minus half different. So according to the Pauli exclusion principle, not two electrons will be same quantum numbers. Pauli exclusion principle, not two electrons in an atom have the same set of all quantum numbers. মানে all quantum numbers দুইটা ইলেকট্রনের all quantum number সেম সেট হবে না, একটা না একটা quantum number কি হবে ডিফারেন্ট হবে। This is the Pauli exclusion principle. Okay, next today's class number 3. Okay, look at here. Okay, this electromagnetic spectrum. What do you mean by electromagnetic spectrum? Have you seen electromagnetic spectrum? Hello student, have you seen electromagnetic spectrum? Hello student, have you seen electromagnetic spectrum? Light, you have seen light. Light is a electromagnetic spectrum. Light, natural light, this is a electromagnetic spectrum. The range of all wavelength and frequency of type radiation is called electromagnetic spectrum. The radiation obtained due to the interaction of electrical field and magnetic field is called electromagnetic radiation. This is also called electromagnetic radiation because in a light contain when light wave propagate it contain electrical field and magnetic field work togetherly. For this reason is called electromagnetic field. Electron come from electrical field and magnetic means come from magnetic field. So light is a electromagnetic radiation because in a light contain light is the interaction of electrical field and magnetic field. Okay, so electromagnetic spectrum is the all range of the wavelength and frequency of all type of radiations. So here this is the electromagnetic wave. Have you seen here is a two electric field, like this is the electric field, this is the green, this is the electric field. 10 minutes remaining. This is the green line, the electric field. Also here is the magnetic field. This magnetic field, this red line, this is a magnetic field. These two field is propagate toward the wave direction, same direction propagate. They propagate in the between their angle 45 degree angle. Okay, these two. Okay, look, this is the 45-degree angle. So this is the electromagnetic radiation is the electrical field is the interaction of electrical field and magnetic field. They propagate these two field by a 45-degree angle. Okay, 90-degree is no, this is 90-degree angle. 90-degree angle, sorry, 90-degree angle. They propagate in the wave directions. In electromagnetic radiation, two fields interact together. They propagate towards the wave direction. যেদিকে ওয়েভ যায় তারা ওইদিকেও প্রপাগেট করে যায়. So this is the electromagnetic radiation. Radio waves is the electromagnetic radiation. So radio wave, TV wave is the electromagnetic radiation. Microwave is the electromagnetic radiation. Infrared is the electromagnetic radiation. Visible light is the electromagnetic radiation. Ultraviolet light is the electromagnetic radiation. X-ray is the electromagnetic radiation. Gamma ray is the electromagnetic radiation. Achha, do you know the what is the wavelength? Do you know the what is the wavelength? Do you know the what is the wavelength? What is the wavelength? Do you know? Hello student, are you listening me? के सुने ना नहीं? Wavelength की जानो? Do you know wavelength? Okay, distance between, like this the top, this the two bottom of a wave, two bottom, the distance between two bottom of a wave or two top peak of a wave is the wavelength. Which is the distance between the two peak or two bottom মানে দুটা ওয়েভের. Okay, the distance between two peak, this is the peak and two top bottom. Distance between two bottom of a peak or distance between two peak is called wavelength. So this is the wavelength. So this is the wavelength. So you have understood this is the wavelength. Distance between two bottom is wavelength, or this is the wavelength. This is the wavelength. Okay, this is the wavelength, or this is the wavelength. So distance between two peak or two peak or two bottom in a wave is called wavelength. So this is the radio wave. Radio wave, do you know the wavelength? Radio wave, we find the radio signal, radio wave. What is the wavelength? This is the radio wave wavelength. Radio wave wavelength is the radio wave wavelength. Look, this is the radio wave wavelength. Is the, what is this? 10 meter. This is the wave 10 meter now. This, and this is the 1 times which this 1 2 infrared, microwave, radio waves, infrared 10 to the minus 3, infrared, microwave, TV wave. It is 10 to the power minus 3, maybe 10 to the power 3 radio wave. So 10 to the power 3, this is the meter, unit is the meter. So radio wave wavelength is 100 meter. একটা ওয়েভ দেখো কত বড় একটা ঢেউ আসে, 100 মিটার, মানে 1 কিলোমিটার মতো একটা ওয়েভ, বড় একটা ওয়েভ। This is the radio wave. TB wave is no, this radio wave means 10 meter. This is okay, 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power 0 means 10 meter, huh? This is a 10 meter. So one wavelength is the radio wave is 10 meter. 10 meter একটা, so অনেক বড় একটা ঢেউ, 10 meter radio wave. And this the next wavelength is TB wave. TB wave is 10 to the power minus 2. 10 to the power minus 2 TB wave. TB wave. TB wave length. TB wave wavelength. So TB wave wavelength is the 10 to the power minus 2. 10 to the power minus 10 to the power minus 2 meter. মানে কি? মানে this is the 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 meter. That means 1 divided by 100. That is 1 divided by 100 means 0.01 meter. দেখো এটার ওয়েভলেন্থ, this is the 0.01 meter TB wave. Next is TB wave, then microwave 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Then infrared is 10 to the power minus 6 meter, and visible light is 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer. Ultraviolet 10 to the power minus 8 nanometer meter. X-ray 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Gamma ray 10 to the power minus 12. So এদিকে কি wavelength কমতেছে, from left to right wavelength is decreasing, but frequency is increasing. Like here frequency is 3 times 10 to the power 8, like frequency 10 to the power 3 times 10 to the power 12, 3 times 10 to the power 16, 3 times 10 to the power 18, 20. তো frequency কি বাড়তেছে আর wavelength decreases. যত wavelength কম হবে frequency তত বেশি হবে. This is the vice versa. So this is the all range of radiation is called electromagnetic radiation. This all, the radio wave is the electromagnetic radiation, TB wave is the electromagnetic radiation, microwave is the electromagnetic radiation, X-ray is the electromagnetic radiation. So if a question come any, what is ultraviolet, what is gamma ray, you can give answer. Gamma ray is the electromagnetic radiation, you will find 1 marks. What is light, you don't say what we see is called light. It is a class 3-4 question answer. You write light is a electromagnetic radiation. Okay, I have a question. One student I'll ask. Hello student, are you watching my screen or are you listening me?
Yes sir.
এখানে কি হয়েছে? I should take the attendance now. I am taking attendance. If anyone leave, it is their responsibility. Okay. Okay, if meeting যদি শেষ হয়ে যায় আবার কি what is X-ray? Say what is X-ray? What is X-ray? Hello student, are you listening? Say. What is X-ray? Give my answer. Give me answer.
Penetrating form of high energy electromagnetic radiation.
Good, excellent. কে বলছে এটা? Maria rule. Okay, excellent. Okay, X-ray is a electromagnetic radiation of high energy. It has high frequency. Okay, look, high frequency. It is a electromagnetic radiation, and frequency is 3 times 10 to the power 20. And radio wave, low frequency but wavelength more. It is also electromagnetic radiation. You can give any definition here. What is TB wave? What is microwave? What is infrared? What is ultraviolet? What is X-ray? What is gamma ray? You give all are electromagnetic radiation. You will find 1 marks. Okay. Now I am going to the next topics. Okay, here is not given in your book. What is the application of all waves? It is you have you which book do you use? Which book? I have referred you book Mahbub Hassan Lincoln. Have you this book to you, Mahbub Hassan Lincoln?
No, sir.
I gave this book list number 1. Which book have you brought? You maybe Hajari Nag. তো তোমাদের এইটা কে বলছে কিন্তু এটা আমি বলছি এটা সেকেন্ড পজিশনে আমি দিয়ে দিছিলাম বুক লিস্টের মধ্যে এটা দেখছো নি আই গেভ তো মিস বললে তো হবে না এখন তো মিস শেষ এটা তো সেকেন্ড পজিশনে কিনবা দাও তরি তোমরা ইউ শুড বাই দিস বুক দিস ইজ এক্সিলেন্ট বুক মাহবুব হাসান লিঙ্কন ওকে সো I am giving some if you read this book you will find what is the difference between 2 books. Mahbub Hassan Lincoln book. I give this the number 1 serial. Have you seen the book list? In the position is the book list. Okay, the application of some important application, radio wave. This is not given. Radio wave is the television wave signal, MRI. This is the radio wave. And microwave, we use the cooking, warming food, mobile phone. This is the microwave. And infrared radiation is the remote control. Remote control use the infrared radiation. And visible radiation is vision. We see the vision. This is the visible radiation. Ultraviolet radiation is the identification of fake currency note. We use ray. This is called ultraviolet radiation. Ultraviolet radiation is used. UV light is used identification of fake currency note, fake passport in such. And X-ray. Okay, what is the application of X-ray? You know these things. X-ray. Where is it used? X-ray. X-ray. What is the application of X-ray? কেউ পারে নাকি এটা তো পারতে হবে What is the application of X-ray? Uses of X-ray. Where do we use X-ray? Where do we use X-ray? কেউ পারে না X-ray একটা অ্যাপ্লিকেশন What is the application of X-ray? X-ray কি অ্যাপ্লিকেশন পারে না কেন একটা বলো X-ray কোথায় ইউজ হয় Where is it used X-ray? Okay, it is used in the medical science. It is used in the medical science and bone image analysis inside the body. Okay, a gamma ray What is the use of gamma ray? Gamma ray. Gamma ray cancer cell destruction inside the body can distract cancer cell in the body. The gamma ray can be used, and food processing and destroying microorganism gamma rays is used. আচ্ছা এখানে কেউ একটা স্ক্রিপ্ট নিয়ে নাও, এটা অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স আজকে। টেক অ্যান স্ক্রিনশট। মারিয়া, টেক স্ক্রিনশট। আই এম নট ট্রাইং টু টেক স্ক্রিনশট। I'm writing rule number 6, 15, 14, 18, 2, 4, 21, 25. Okay, thank you. I've taken attendance. Okay, now next topics. I'm going to next topics. This is the Lyman series, Balmer series, Pascal series, bracket series, profound series, fund series. Look, what is these things? Lyman series, Balmer series, Pascal series, bracket series, found series, and main spectral line is called. Okay, what do you mean by these things? Today's class is this is the nucleus. This is the n equal to 1, this is the n equal to 2, n equal to 3, this is the orbit, n equal to 4, n equal to 4. Okay, when all this electron transformation contain from transformation occur from this the n1, n equal to 1, shell number n equal to 1, this shell is n equal to 2, shell number 2, this shell equal to n equal to 3, this is n equal to 4. When electron transformation occur, this is the higher energy level from n2 to n1, n3 to 1, and 4 to 1. If here the 5 to 1, 5 to 1. This color of combination form is called a spectrum. The combination of color is called a spectrum. There is a combination of color is formed. You know the rainbow. This is a combination of color. You know rainbow contain Bib-Geier color combination. Blue, green, indigo, Bib-Geier. This is the Bib-Geier. This the Bib-Geier is the rainbow is contain combination of color blue, indigo, violet, green, yellow, orange, red. So this is the also combination of color. This is called a spectra. This is a spectrum. This when all light higher level to transform from n1, from n2, n3, n4, n5. This is called line. A series of line is called a spectrum. This spectrum is called Lyman series. This series is called Lyman series. When all light pass to n1, it's called Lyman series. Okay, this is when all light comes to shell number 1 from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. When all light come to the number 1 shell number 1, n equal to 1, here come and form a series is called Lyman series. Lyman series n1 equal to 1 or n2 equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. It is main spectral line is the in a electromagnetic radiation is the ultraviolet. Okay, and if the all light come to the electron transformation occur to the n equal to 2 is called Balmer series. When from 3, from 4, from 5, 6, 7, 8, here 2, n1 equal to 2, when n equal to 2 all come to 2, 3 to 2, 4 to 2, 5 to 2, 6 to 2, 63, then form a series line. It is called Balmer series. When come to all n1 equal to 3 and n2 equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Is called Paschen series. 4 to 3, 5 to 3, 6 to 3, this Paschen series. And when all come from 4, from 5 to 4, 6 to 4, 7 to 4, 8 to 4, and so on, is called bracket series. And found series is when when n1 equal to 5, when all electron transform from higher energy orbit level to 5, 6 to 5, 7 to 5, 8 to 5, so on. This is called found series. This is the infrared. We don't see this light. Infrared don't see, but visible this light, when all light come to the n equal to 2, this is the visible region. This color we can see. Balmer series we can see. Here n1 equal to 2 and n2 equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. This visible region we can see. In ultraviolet, this light we don't see. Infrared we don't see. We don't see X-ray, gamma ray, ultraviolet, this thing. Only we can see the Balmer. This color see Balmer series. If light come to the okay, now next I draw these things here. If 3 to 2 come, 3 to 2 come, this and this, look, 3 to 2, 4 to 2, 5 to 2, and 6 to 2. What is the name this series? What is the line name? What will be name? If all come to the 2, n equal to 2, what will be name this? What is the name? This one name is when all come to the n equal to 1. n1 equal to 1, 1 is called Lyman series. Lyman series. What is called when all come to the n equal to 2? n1 when 2. What is called this one? Are you listening me? Fifteen, 18. This is the 19, 24, 21, 6, 15. Khadija Urmi, তোমার রুল কত? What's your roll number? Khadija Urmi. Huh? What's 24? Okay. You should give your roll number here. Also 24 Khadija Urmi. What is called this series? When all come to the 2. This is called Balmer series. This is called Balmer series. Okay, when come to the all three come from 4 to 3, 4 to 3 come, 5 to 3 come, 6 to 3 come. This is called Paschen series. Okay, this is series শেষ করে দিতে হবে ক্লাসটা, বেশি সময় আর লং করা দরকার নাই। লম্বা হয়ে গেছে ক্লাসটা। Okay, this is the what is chromatography. This is the creative question. Why does the 19 electron of potassium enter 4s orbital without entering into the 3d orbital? Okay, question number C. Calculate the number of electrons in the outermost shell of the stem. What is the outermost shell of the stem? Which shell? Shell equal to n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3. Which one is the outermost shell? N equal to 1 or n equal to 3, 2 or n equal to 3. Which one is the outermost shell?
N equal to 3.
Yes, n equal to 3 is the outermost shell. In this shell, calculate the number of electrons. You calculate the number of electrons in the outermost shell. Okay, now we'll calculate the electron in the outermost shell. Copy. Okay, now I solve a problem. I calculate C number question. I calculate number of electrons in the outermost shell. Here outermost shell is the third shell. That means outermost shell is the here in this stem. Outermost shell of the stem is shell is n equal to 3. So we'll calculate this one. Calculate total number of electrons. n equal to কত 3, n equal to 3. What is L equal to? What will be L? Principal quantum number, secondary quantum number. What will be L? When n equal to 3, what is L? N equal to 3. So L will be, we know L is 0 to n1 minus 1. So it will be L equal to will be 0 to n minus 1 means 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 2. So L value will be 0 to 2. That means 0, 1, 2. Have you understood? L value range we know 0 to n minus 1. So 0 to n 3, that means 3 minus 1 means 2. That means 0 to 2. So 0, 1, 2. So L value is 0, 1, 2. Have you understood this things? Now M value. M, small m, this is the magnetic quantum number M. For L, what is M? M value, when L equal to 0, when L equal to 0, M equal to, we know M value is minus L to plus L. So when L equal to 0, this is the 0, there is no value, M equal to also 0. If L equal to 1, M equal to will be minus 1, 0, plus 1. If L equal to 2, M value will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. It is for 0, M value is 0. Okay. For 1, M value is minus 1, 0, plus 1. For minus 2, M value is minus 2, minus 1,
minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2.
0, plus 1, plus 2. Okay, this is the M value. Okay. We know each orbital contain 2 electrons. This is the one orbital, s orbital. So s orbital contain 2 electrons, plus half, 1 plus 2 electrons, plus half, minus half. So here is a how many orbitals? Each orbital contains 2 electrons. So 6 electrons. So I can write here 3. In a bracket I write these things. 2 electrons. The 6 electrons. Okay. What is this? So I'll write here these things. It should these things. Okay, half 6. Here is a 6 electron. Okay, like here is a 5 orbitals, each contain 2 electrons. So I can write here is 10 electrons. Okay, this 10 electrons. Copy. Then I should take this copy paste and copy. Okay, this is the content. How many electrons here? 10 electrons. So here is the electrons. Don't need to keep. Okay, here is a 2 electrons, here is a 6 electrons, here is a how many electrons? 10 electrons. So total is 2 and 6, 8 and 10, 18 electrons. So total electrons is 18. শেষে is SK class. এটা কয়টা electron? Total electrons? Total total electrons 18. Find. I have found this question answer. Calculate the number of electrons in the outermost shell. The shell number 3 बेर करते. You can 4 shell number 4 5 you can do. Okay. This. Thank you for joining today's class. I'll give assignment and you solve this assignment. Okay. I'll